Spring has sprung and Q1 of 2022 has ended. How has our Long Beach real estate market performed in these first 3 months of 2022? Demand continues to be high, rates are continuing to increase, and at the same time, so is inflation. So the questions remain the same. Will there be more inventory in 2022? What's going to happen to interest rates? And what about inflation? Well, we're gonna answer all of those questions in this video, so let's dive into it. This is Gia Silva, your trusted real estate advisor here in Long Beach. And today, we have your housing market report for Long Beach Q1 in 2022. Okay, let's get started with our residential properties. The average single family home in Long Beach has sold for $1,208,995 in the first quarter of 2022. Now, that is an increase of about $144,000 from Q1 of 2021. Also, the average days on market for single family homes in Long Beach in Q1 of this year has been about 18 days. Now let's move over to condos. Condos, the average condo in Long Beach in Q1 has sold for $545,990. That is an increase of about $34,000 in just 1 year from Q1 of 2021. And also, average days on market has been about 21 days for condos. And in Signal Hill, the average single family home has sold for $1,021,895. That is an increase of about $150,000 in just 12 months. Also, condos in Signal Hill have sold for an average of $596,575. That's an increase of about $68,000, again, in just 12 months. Okay, let's move over to our multifamily in Long Beach and Signal Hill. Average duplex, the average duplex Q1 of 2022 has closed for $1,107,825. You ready? That is an increase of $218,000 from just 12 months ago. That's about a 24.6% increase in appreciation. Triplexes in Long Beach, the average triplex has closed for $1,103,000. That's an increase of about $134,000, again, from just 1 year before, averaging about a 14% increase in appreciation. Lastly, fourplexes in Long Beach, they've increased about $229,000 in just 1 year span, making the average price for fourplexes in Long Beach right now $1,424,000. Can you believe that? And for our multifamily properties in Signal Hill, the average duplex has closed for $901,000. That's an increase of about $121,000 in just 12 months. The average triplex, oh wait, no triplexes sold this year in Signal Hill yet. And in 2021, surprisingly, there has been no triplex sales in Q1. So we don't have the average number for that one yet, so stay tuned for Q2. And fourplexes in Signal Hill, the average fourplex has closed for $1,843,000. That is an increase of $558,000 from the average sale in Q1 of 2021. So if we take residential as well as multifamily, we can see that on average, we've increased in the last 12 months anywhere from 13% to about 26% for different property types. What's gonna happen this year and the years to come? Inflation. That's right, I said it. It's that word that no one wants to hear right now, but it is on the rise right now. So with goods increasing, gas prices increasing, and demand being super high, we're gonna continue seeing inflation this year. But guess what? Throughout the years, we have known and it is proven that housing is the biggest hedge against inflation. Now, I've shared this graph before with you. This shows you inflation throughout the years. And as you can see, housing has outperformed inflation forever. And what about interest rates? Well, right around this time in 2021, our 30-year interest rates were 3.08. And today, April 2022, our 30-year interest rates are 4.85. Now, you may be saying to yourself, okay, I'm outpriced of the market, I'm no longer gonna buy. But consider this, we are going to continue to appreciate this year in 2022. So if we just take about 10%, conservative number, 10% this year of appreciation, that means that on average, your property is increasing about $100,000. And we're also seeing that the increase in interest rates is causing some fear in consumers. So properties that are on the market are actually staying on the market a little longer than they did in Q1 of 2021. And now inventory, are we gonna see more properties come on the market? Yes, we will. We're gonna be seeing properties come on the market throughout summer, fall, and throughout the year. So get ready if you've been trying to purchase because more properties are coming. Okay, so let's recap. We are continuing to appreciate. Interest rates are on the rise, and so is inflation. However, we all know that housing is the biggest hedge against inflation. So if you're on the sidelines now thinking, should I sell my property and find a replacement one? Or perhaps you're a first-time buyer thinking, is it the right time? Maybe I should wait until next year and rates will drop. The cost of waiting is much more than actually purchasing a property today and seeing it appreciate. The best place to start is scheduling a strategy session with me so that we can discuss your goals, your timeline, and we can get you going with all of those real estate moves. Give me a call. If you've enjoyed this video and you find it valuable, don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe to my page. See you next time.